What's up guys, it's Mac and I got a package. Now as you can see, this is a pretty big box and I'm actually pretty excited for it. So a little context behind what is in this box. This is actually a Star Wars replica piece that comes from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in Disney World and Disneyland. I was actually just over there back in May and I saw this piece, but at the time I didn't think of picking it up. That because I only had limited luggage and I had limited space of what I can take with me. But my friend actually went to Disney a couple weeks back and I asked him to pick it up for me and he did and shipped it to me. So yeah, very excited to get into it. Let's not waste a lot of time and crack it open and see what we got on the inside. So got my knife here and we're gonna crack it along the top here. So yeah, as I said, this box is a lot bigger than I was expecting, so I'm pretty excited to see how big the actual product is, but I do know it is a 1-to-1 scale replica, and you will see it in a second, so let's get into it here. Oh, all right, very well packaged. All right, let's see. Pull it out here. All right, and let's see if I can fit this in the frame here. Here it is. As you can see, this is the T-16 Skyhopper model. And yeah, this is very cool. So this is actually, as I said, a 1-to-1 scale model replica of the T-16 Skyhopper, which in A New Hope, Luke Skywalker actually had a model replica that you can see him playing with it. And this is basically scaled off of that model replica from the movie. So I'll put a picture of that. But from what I've seen from pictures and reviews, this thing is basically 100% accurate to the prop used in the movie. Now, there is actually a channel that I watched called Star Wars Replicas where he actually took this and just made it a little bit more accurate. He added some weathering, changed the decals out a little bit. So I might do that with my kit as well, but here it is. Let's take a quick look at the box here. So you can see some pretty cool Star Wars lettering there, some nice weathering on the box. Here's the other side. You can see there, it comes straight from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. So let's read a little bit of what it says here. So it says it's a high-performance airspeeder capable of reaching a planet's troposphere. The T-16 Skyhopper were fast and maneuverable. And then it says that in different languages. So it's a little bit of background behind the ship. And yes, this was an actual ship from Star Wars. I believe Luke Skywalker used to have an actual T-16 that he would ride around. But I'm pretty sure he damaged it. And that's why you saw him playing around with the model replica version of it. But I'm pretty sure it made appearances in Clone Wars, in the Kenobi series, as well as obviously A New Hope. And I don't know if it made any more appearances, at least in canon or in like the movies or TV shows. But it is a pretty well-known ship. So let's crack open the box real fast and we'll see what it looks like here. So let's see. Tape it there on the sides. There we go. And then tape here. All right. I think that's everything there. So there we go. All right. All right, let's crack this open. Oh man. All right, this is actually a pretty good size. It's actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting. So let's see if I can pull it out. Ooh, all right. So here's how it comes in the package, and there goes one of the wings, but there it is. See, we got some instructions in here, and I believe that's it. So everything's already kind of coming out, so I might as well take it the rest of the way. Wow. I'm already impressed. Like, this thing's already pretty well weathered. Like, check that out. Got some really nice weathering on it. Look at all those details. You can see the pilot in there, all the decals. Now, you know, if you wanted to make it 100% accurate, apparently there are better decal sheets out there that you can get. But as like a already built replica, like this is already pretty impressive. So let's see if I can take this off here of this. I think this is like maybe a gun. I don't really know, but let's see if I can get this without damaging it, obviously. Let's see, might have to just cut this part. Oh, here it is, I think that's it. Oh, it's already bending a little bit, but luckily this seems like to be kind of a softer plastic. Sorry for that jump cut. I actually dropped my camera as I was trying to get that plastic piece off, but as you can see, I do have it free now, and as you can see, this is definitely a bit softer. I'd still be a little bit careful, because obviously you don't want to break this part off. So, all right, let's see if we can attach the wings real fast here. So, I believe this wing just fits up top here. So, let's see if I can move the camera up a little bit. So, it looks like this just slides in like that, maybe. There we go. Okay, got a nice satisfying click there. So, we got that top wing, and then we just got the two side wings. So, let's see. These ones go... Let's see, looks like there's a little bit of paper on it, maybe? It's a very kind of interesting material. It's like, I don't know how to explain it, like a kind of resin is kind of what it feels like, or a very kind of soft plastic. It's kind of interesting. So, let's see. I believe these guys just slide in. Make sure, so these one, okay, so yeah, these guys are facing down. Yeah, so, looks like, okay, so they fit in these little slots here on the side, like that. And then see if we can, there we go. Nice, satisfying little push there. So we got one wing, and then let's get the second one in here. So again, just kind of clicks. Let's see. There we go. And there it is, the finished model. And man, like I said, for a pre-built replica that you can buy from Disney, this thing is super impressive. Like, it's got so much nice detail, nice weathering, all the decals are there. And yeah, I am super excited to have this in my collection. As I said, if you want me to maybe do a little bit more weathering on it, see if I can find maybe a better decal sheet. Although, I mean, these decals already seem to be pretty good. Let me know, and I'll definitely do another video just kind of showcasing more of the details of this kit, because yeah, I am really impressed with it so far. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing more of this. I will definitely make a separate video just kind of going through all the details, because there's a lot to talk about here. But yeah, super exciting piece to add to my collection. And yeah, so not really anything too special, but still I figured it'd be fun to make a little unboxing for this and show it off. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. Leave a comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And as always, don't forget to subscribe as well as turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And with all that out of the way, I will catch you guys next time. Peace.